What's going on, family? What's going on? It's your boy, Mr. P. It's your boy, Mr. P, and welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. Just want to touch bases with you guys. If you are not locked in, hit the link below and let's work. And make sure you guys go to PIP'N.com. All right. PIP'N.com and lock in with us. We have a free channel, which is our free XAU-USD channel. We also have plenty of episodes on YouTube, and make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game. All right. All this is available on PIP'N.com. Also, we have all 5 days and a bonus day, all right, available as well on our YouTube channel. It's up. And if you guys want some more free game, go to the new traphouse.com. Everything is absolutely free there as well. You can lock in with us, man. Some great information. If you guys have not tapped in already, let's get into it. Yes, sir. Appreciate people chiming in. We're going to get right into it. If you have any questions, please throw them in the chat. This will be on YouTube in about an hour. All right, so a lot of people don't like getting up this early, but hey, I like to get it out the way early, see what I see, and then check it out when the market reopens. So we're just going to look at a few pairs here. Let's start off with ACAT. ACAT is playing out nicely. This was a good play. It's been doing the thing. So we sold off here last week, caught about 30-40 pips off of this break and retest here. I would love to see that continue down to this area here. We're still holding this. We took profit on these positions a couple weeks ago. So then we just got back in off this break and retest. As you can see, this is a nice support level here. So what we did was we capitalized on basic market structure. What was once resistance is now support. And what was once support is now resistance. So that was a nice play, played out well, minimal drawdown. And we're going to wait patiently and see how this plays out. Let me check out this weekly, see how this weekly closed. Okay, so this is a huge bullish engulfing candle. So price may come down a little bit more, and then push up. We're just gonna patiently wait and see how this weekly opens. But this can be a break and retest as well. As you can see, this was once a support resistance, and then of course it became a support. We had the break here, kind of a retest off of this right here. Now let's see if we can get this break. We got a break here. It closed below. So hopefully price continues down, and then we'll catch this buy back up. So we'll keep an eye on ACAT. AU kind of played out the same. We're waiting on, in my opinion, I would love to wait on this zone here. Like this would be the play right in this area. Or we can catch the buy off of this green box. But we're just patiently waiting. We're not rushing anything. We're waiting on price to come to us, which is always a good thing, you know. All right, NJ. I've been waiting on this NJ sale like forever. I've been selling this thing, man. We've been taking partial profits here and there, but I really want to see this thing tank. All the JPYs got really strong on Friday, and they bought up. We got smacked on CAD, but I do like NJ for the drop. It's playing out nicely. I want to see it maybe push up a bit more. See what this daily looks like. Yeah, we may get a push up. See if we got any imbalance on this 4 hour. Okay. Okay, it's a nice zone here. This is what we'll wait on. We'll wait on price to push up to this zone. So this zone right here, like this zone right here would be nice. We're gonna wait on that push up here. This will be our sell zone on NJ, and we're gonna patiently wait on this, see how the market opens up. Right, this will be our sell zone. Excuse me. All right, cool. And let's see what that actually looks like price wise. Let's just say 100. 100 is a good area. Buy. So that will be our sell zone right there. So we're going to wait on price to push up to that zone. I think that will be real nice. That'll be a nice play for us to just patiently wait on. Even though we're getting a little bit rejection here, right? This looks like it may drop now, but that is the better play, in my opinion. Push up here, sniper entry, and then come on down. But it's playing out as we suspected. We got to push up, right? It just, I feel like it needs to come up, some imbalance up here. Nice order block. You know, let's go down to the hour real quick, see what else we see. Okay, perfect. We got a little bit more in depth of what's going on. If anyone knows how I trade, I love order blocks, imbalances. So this right here hasn't been touched yet. So we would love to see this area get hit. Right? See this little gap here in price. We want to see this order block get touched. So that's what we're going to wait on NJ. A little bit more push up. As you can see, for example, price came up to this previous zone. What is my cursor? Why they do me like that? All right, cool. That's just regular. We go like that. Bow. See how price came up to this order block? It touched it, and then it tanked. That's what we're looking for this same one. And price actually made. Oh no, that was clean. I mean, this is a zone. This is a point of interest as well. If price really wants to get bullish, this would be the second zone that we would touch on if it comes and retests this zone. That's possible. So these are our two sell zones on NJ, and we're going to patiently wait on those. See how that plays out. So that would be sell zone 1, and then we will duplicate this. And this will be our second zone here. Let's see what that look like. All right, cool. Let's clone this real quick. Let's see what that looks like. 451 area. That would be nice. So that's what we would wait on. Even though price looks like it's respecting this trend, I want to see it break and do a grab, liquidity grab, and hit one of these two zones. I will sell in each zone, and if it closes above my 4-hour candle, then I will close that out. But that's what we're looking for, family, on NJ. Let me send this to the chat. Send on the 4-hour. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. What's going on, Cookie? Cookie Johnson in the building, family. Let's see, copy image. Hey. This is NJ. I'll take a person, you know. Go to the show. Hey. All right. We're gonna go ahead and check out the end. Waiting on this zone on EN. I do believe it'll sell soon. It broke out of here on a daily time frame. It was consolidating. It broke out. We probably can get a retest for the buy up, but I definitely like this zone here to stay and, and respect this downtrend. So it's somewhere up in that zone, respect this trend and continue to the downside, but we can potentially catch a buy off of this break out of this box. Let's see what that daily look like. Okay, cool. So yeah, I would love to see. Oh, we got something already set up in there. Daily OB, that would be nice. The price can come back down here. It may not. It may just touch off this break and keep going. That's a nice clean break. But see how it plays out. You're not going to rush nothing, but definitely waiting on the sell long term. This consolidation was crazy. Broke out. May continue up. May come down off of this 4-hour order block here. And then continue to the upside. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Make sure we're practicing proper risk reward out here, family. CJ robbed us on Friday. It broke out, but that's okay because the bigger vision is this next level on this daily. Is it the daily or the monthly? I don't see this monthly closing like this. Want to see it close below these previous candles. So we still got 10 more days in the month. Damn, January over already. Sheesh. So the weekly did close above though. So the weekly did close above previous price. Curious to see. Price may come down here. Curious to see how this weekly close. Super curious. I want to see some type of confirmation though, so we can actually get in the sale. But it's super bullish. I don't believe it will create a new high. That's just my opinion. This is a nice zone it's in right now. So if it doesn't break this area, I'm definitely think we can get some bearish momentum. But I do believe this is what we're waiting on. Here we go. This turquoise land right here off of this order block. That's the bigger picture here, this zone. So price can shoot up a little bit more and do a liquidity grab as it's been doing. So boom, break this zone, take out all the sellers, and then continue to the downside. That's what I would like to see. Gold got bullish on us last week, which it made sense if you look at this weekly. All right, it made total sense because price did not close below here. It respected that previous resistance and support level. As you can see, if you break this down to a smaller time frame, this was a resistance and this was a support. Nothing is closed below this, but we do have bearish momentum on these weekly candles, right? So I would love to see price still sticking to what I'm talking about, both 45.50 area for the sale, and I think we said 18. What did we say? I think we said 18. Was it 1920 something? Oh, there we go. 1985. 1980 to 85 would be a buy, and 45 to 50 would be looking for sales. So keep an eye on that, family. And US 30 just been bullish. Shout out to Josh and Cookie on the call. We sold this down for a couple thousand pips, and they called to buy back up. It was beautiful. It was a good Friday, man. So that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all chime in to the new Trap House. Everything's free. And don't forget to go to PIP'Neasy.com for all the free game, family. Make sure you lock in. All right. So that's it for your boy.